Chase Bank's bold move, what it means for Iraqi Dinar holders in 2025. Could a single decision by one of America's largest banks reshape the future of the Iraqi Dinar? In a development stirring conversations across financial circles, Chase Bank has officially changed its policy on handling Iraqi Dinar exchanges in 2025. This move could have serious implications for investors, currency holders, and anyone watching Iraq's economic recovery. In this exclusive report, we break down what's happening, why it matters, and what it could mean for you. Chase Bank's new policy, a game changer? Chase Bank, a giant in the U.S. financial sector, has quietly updated its procedures for foreign currency transactions. And yes, that includes the much-watched Iraqi Dinar. This change has sparked intense speculation. Is Chase preparing for a revaluation, or simply tightening compliance protocols? Here's what's new: stricter verification requirements. Chase now asks for more detailed identification and clearer proof of where your dinars came from. Limited in-branch exchanges. Some branches require appointments specifically for dinar transactions. A first. Enhanced tracking. Banks are now tracking the purpose of dinar exchanges, speculative versus travel. While these measures might sound like added red tape, they could signal that big banks are bracing for a potential shift in the dinar's global role. Why this move could be significant. Banks don't overhaul their foreign currency policies without reason. There are two major theories driving investor chatter. 1. Regulatory alignment. Chase may simply be responding to tighter global compliance standards, especially for speculative currencies like the IQD. 2. Strategic positioning. Some experts believe Chase is getting ahead of a possible revaluation or an uptick in dinar demand. If Iraq's economy continues reforming, Chase could be positioning itself as the go-to bank for dinar holders. Remember, when a financial powerhouse like Chase makes a move, others often follow. The bigger economic picture, Iraq's reform path. This banking shift can't be viewed in isolation. Iraq is actively restructuring its economy, strengthening control over banking systems, promoting private sector growth, reducing reliance on the US dollar, improving oil revenue management. These reforms could set the stage for a stronger, more stable dinar in the coming years. Chase's new policies might simply reflect growing confidence in Iraq's direction. What does this mean for investors? If you hold dinars or plan to, here's what you should do right now. Stay informed. Watch for further bank policy changes and official announcements from Iraq's central bank. Verify procedures. Call your bank before attempting exchanges to understand fees, documentation, and appointment needs. Avoid speculation traps. A change in Chase's policy doesn't equal immediate revaluation. This is a long-term game. Smart investors look for patterns, stay patient, and don't act on rumors. Chase and the digital currency shift. Another layer to this story is the global shift toward digital money. As Iraq modernizes its financial systems, a move to digital dinar solutions could follow. Banks like Chase might be laying the groundwork to connect physical currency with future digital platforms. This could explain their extra attention to authenticity and traceability, a necessary step if physical bills are to integrate with a digital economy. Could this be the first ripple of a bigger wave? It's rare for U.S. banks to adjust policies on currencies that don't matter. Chase's focus on the dinar is a clear signal that major players are paying attention. If other banks follow suit, this could mark the beginning of a new era where the dinar gains legitimacy in global finance. The bottom line: Chase Bank's new Iraqi dinar exchange policy is a small but significant shift in how U.S. financial institutions treat this currency. While it doesn't guarantee a revaluation, it shows that global banks are preparing for potential changes. For dinar holders, this is a time for smart monitoring, not rushed decisions. Join the conversation. What do you think? Is Chase signaling something big? Will other banks follow? Could Iraq finally be on the path to a stronger currency? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the discussion going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead on all Iraqi dinar updates, economic reforms, and global currency shifts.